ETH to $4,000? Analysts weigh whale purchases against correction risks. ETH's climb toward $4,000 is backed by whales and sentiment. But some analysts warn the rally looks overheated and ripe for a correction. Ether's multi-week climb toward the $4,000 level has faced resistance, with the token falling more than 3% to around $3,696. While bulls remain confident the uptrend is intact, recent price action has exposed some technical fragility, just as institutional buyers continue ramping up accumulation. The latest ETH pullback follows 2 strong weeks of gains and comes amid growing discussion among analysts about whether the rally can continue without a broader correction. Technical indicators are beginning to flash red. One X-based crypto analytics account, Frontrunners, said ETH has now outperformed Bitcoin for 14 consecutive days, calling the trend unsustainable without consolidation. They also flagged that RSI is overheated and suggested sentiment had turned euphoric. Michael Van de Poppy echoed that caution, noting ETH had dropped to around $3,650 and warning of a potentially violent correction. Andrew Crypto offered a similar view, arguing that while ETH has shown insane strength, a correction is both healthy and likely following a rejection at a key resistance level. Still, some analysts remain firmly bullish. Back on July 8th, Crypto Rand predicted that ETH to $4,000 is programmed sooner than later, reflecting early confidence in the rally's momentum. On-chain data may lend support to this outlook. According to CryptoQuant figures cited by Crypto Rover earlier today, whale buying activity has reached record highs. That trend is underscored by the latest corporate buying figures from SharpLink Gaming, SBET, one of the largest ETH holding public companies. In a press release issued today, SharpLink said it had purchased 79,949 ETH in the week ended July 20th, the highest weekly tally since launching its treasury strategy in June. The firm now holds 360,807 ETH, and said it has over $96 million in undeployed capital ready to buy more. ETH's price has been largely resilient in the face of macro uncertainty, helped in part by growing conviction among retail and institutional investors. However, analysts say the next leg higher may require a reset. As Andrew Crypto noted, a chart without a correction isn't a healthy chart. According to CoinDesk data, Ether is trading at $3,696 at the time of writing, down 3.44% in the past 24 hours. Technical analysis highlights. Disclaimer. Parts of this article were generated with the assistance from AI tools and reviewed by our editorial team to ensure accuracy and adherence to our standards. For more information, see CoinDesk's full AI policy. Siamak Masnavi is a researcher specializing in blockchain technology, cryptocurrency regulations, and macroeconomic trends shaping the crypto market. He holds a PhD in computer science from the University of London and began his career in software development, including 4 years in the banking industry in the city of London and Zurich. In April 2018, Siamak transitioned to writing about cryptocurrency news, focusing on journalism until January 2025, when he shifted exclusively to research on the aforementioned topics. CoinDesk Analytics is CoinDesk's AI-powered tool that, with the help of human reporters, generates market data analysis, price movement reports, and financial content focused on cryptocurrency and blockchain markets. All content produced by CoinDesk Analytics undergoes human editing by CoinDesk's editorial team before publication. The tool synthesizes market data and information from CoinDesk data and other sources to create timely market reports, with all external sources clearly attributed within each article. CoinDesk Analytics operates under CoinDesk's AI content guidelines, which prioritize accuracy, transparency, and editorial oversight. Learn more about CoinDesk's approach to AI-generated content in our AI policy.